Dug myself a little bit of a mess here. It's actually gophers that caused this.
I want you to kill every gopher on the coast.
Check me if I'm wrong, Sandy, but if I kill all the golfers, they're gonna lock me up and throw away.
I got the bright idea this time around to actually do it right so that it runs under everything and I don't have mud every spring, because especially over on this side it just takes forever to dry out. We have a really high water table down here anyway. Obviously the house is set quite a ways up, but down here the water table is pretty damn high, and we do have a little culvert that runs under the driveway. I was able to dig that out last night with the excavator. Works really good for I mean, tractor mounted excavators are definitely nowhere near as efficient as an excavator, but holy crap does that thing do a good job, and it's pretty quick. So we got it trenched out. I had to be real careful. I got irrigation lines that cut through here too. Managed to somehow dig this and not destroy a single irrigation line. Get some nice New Hampshire flowers here. Rocks absolutely everywhere. But we got through it. Pulled out some big ones too. And well, there's the water table right there. So the plan is I'm going to drop a 30-inch basin in here with a clean out for the inevitable runoff that runs into it. And then we're going to run a 6-inch line through here. And then down the road, I actually want to try to capture some hydropower out of this. It runs, most years it runs, I would say 3/4 of the year it is running. And on a dry year like this year, it runs probably half the year. It's not going to produce a ton of power, but it'll produce power when nothing else will. Even in the winter, this still runs. And, you know, if you got snow on the solar panels or whatever, it's free energy to run during the night. So I thought that would be a good idea to give it a shot. So I got a decent amount of head pressure by the time we get down over there to put in a little hydro something generator and capture some of this free energy that's flowing around, as well as dry out the yard. And that's the primary reason we're doing this, but figure what the hell, because there's probably about a 10-foot drop between the two. So with that amount and a decent flow, should be good. Got 2 18 yard loads of loom to go over the top and dress everything up nice. We got 200 feet of 6-inch with a sock on it. Because this is low land, I didn't want to run just a solid tube through here. So this has the slots in it and the screen to keep the dirt from getting into the pipe, and that allows it to naturally continue to drain the lawn, not just the runoff that would be coming across the lawn normally. But that I think that'll work out pretty good. So got a few other things to do here. I got a couple of big rocks to pull out. One of them's over here somewhere. Yep, that guy. I tried doing it without the thumb on the excavator, and that did not want to grab it. So we'll pull that out, smooth some of this out, make it a little bit better, and yeah, get to playing in the dirt. It doesn't look like a cave. Looks like a cave. Kind of want to go in there, but I'm also scared there's a bear, so probably just not going to go in there. All right, let's get to work. Yeah, that should do it. Get it all tied in, got a nice basin. with a nice grate to go over it, and that'll catch all of the typical runoff. And then we'll shoot it on down the tube. laid my pipe, and just finished spreading my seed. Came out really good. Very, very happy with it. Had to do a couple of adjustments to the sprinkler heads had to dig them out and bring them up to the new grade, but that actually went pretty smooth. All seeded and raked in. Looking pretty good, actually. Very happy with the grading, how it came out. Looks really nice. Also really happy with this too. So we got a nice basin there with a big sump that I can clean out. That lid pops right off. There's some rocks in there too, just to help keep crap from falling into it. Gonna have to, until grass gets going here, I'm gonna set up a little silt screen here just to keep the soil from flowing into it, because I did pitch it so it comes down this way to help clear our land of water. Yeah, let's go over the other side. Here we go. Other side came out real nice as well. We just have to trim off a little bit of this hose, but like I said, I'm thinking about potentially having this come up and feed a water wheel to generate some electricity. And that's a different project for a different day. But for right now, really happy with how this all came out. And I don't know if we're going to get much grass. It's a little bit too late in the season. It's starting to get really cold at night. But figured I'd seed it anyway, maybe get it started. And then in the spring, this should all come out pretty nice. But yeah, very happy. Very happy. And now I get my access back so I can bring heavier equipment in this side and not have to tear up my backyard to get around the back of the garage. So that was another really nice benefit to having this all underground. Well, as always, everybody, appreciate you watching. Any comments, questions, concerns, criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, have a great day.